Hello everyone and welcome to the market commentary. So let's see some stocks for the coming weeks. And out of them, Apollo Hospitals is the first one. Now, one thing is very clear here: the RSI hidden bullish divergence from this bottom to this, and the respective bottoms of RSI. And it already started being bullish. Now, the second supporting factor over here, when you go to 60-minute time frame, the same kind of pattern is visible over there. And 240-minute time frame, this is actually the area which acted as a previous resistance, 3150. That area is the previous resistance, and at the same zone currently the stock is trying to take support, roughly around 3162 3160. So 30-minute and 60-minute, it is exhibiting RSI hidden bullish divergence. Even on 240 minutes, you have the same, and even RSI is also supporting on 240 minutes time frame. Then, if you go back to 30 minutes time frame and turn on this Fibonacci retracement from the previous bottom to the current top, now it is taking support near 0.382 retracement. So this is a very good supporting factor for Apollo Hospitals. At the same time, there is also a gap zone here. So gap zone, most of the times it acts as a strong support. So what are all the factors that is supporting bullishness in Apollo Hospitals? One is the RSI hidden bullish divergence on 30 minutes and 60 minutes. Second factor, previous resistance now acting as support on 240-minute time frame. Third factor, the Fibonacci retracement 0.382 level is acting as support for the stock. And fourth factor, the gap zone, which is also acting in favor of the bulls. So that is Apollo Hospitals, the view on Apollo Hospitals. Then coming to PFC, Power Finance Corporation. On weekly time frame, I observed a kind of pattern here, the similar one which we saw right now. This is the previous resistance for the stock which got broken, and now it is acting as a support. Now, if you see, we want some more fall in the stock so that the current RSI value is lower than this previous bottom. So when the current RSI value becomes lower than the previous RSI, still the stock will be making higher lows. So RSI will be making lower lows and the stock will be making higher lows. Then the RSI hidden bullish divergence will be perfect on weekly time frame. So what do we want now? Slight fall in price so that the RSI also comes down. And if you use the Fibonacci once again over here, the previous bottom to the current top, it is actually in between this 0.5 and the 0.618. So even if it falls down and RSI will be in our favor, the bull's favor, at the same time, it will be taking support near this 0.618. So even if you want to accumulate, start accumulating the stock now for long-term purpose, that is also okay. But if you get a chance near 100 rupees, that is the best possible area to buy the stock. But we don't know if the stock is going to fall to that exact level and then bounce back. So it's always a good idea to start accumulating the stock at these price levels. So Power Finance Corporation is also on the bullish side, and the reasons are previous support, then acted as resistance, and now it is acting as support. RSI also, it is on the verge of exhibiting the RSI hidden bullish divergence. 44.36 is the previous RSI level. Now it is at 44.66. But if you closely observe, there is a bounce back in the price. It means RSI already exhibited the hidden bullish divergence in the past itself. So that's why I'm saying start accumulating the stock. It may not fall down to that 0.618. From this zero point 0.5 level itself, it may start bouncing back, and there is a good upside journey for the stock on weekly time frame. And the third stock is Trent. So again, even here also, if you see the previous top and this bottom. So Fibonacci retracement at 0.382, it is facing a resistance. There is one top over here and the current top. If you compare it with the RSI, this is actually making a hidden bearish divergence. So that's my supporting factor for bearishness in trend. And if you see the previous support will be now acting as a resistance over here. So previous support now acting as resistance, first factor. Second factor, 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, which will act as a resistance. And third factor, the RSI hidden bearish divergence. Price exhibiting lower highs and RSI exhibiting higher highs. So that's RSI hidden bearish divergence. Then comes the TVS motor. So earlier my view was different, but now if you see, I think on weekly time frame, so it is approaching of the strong support zone over here. This is a very strong support zone for TVS motor on higher time frames. At the same time, turn on the Fibonacci retracement. So this support zone, it is in conjunction with 0.382 retracement level, and RSI already it is exhibiting the hidden bullish divergence. So what are these supporting factors for bullishness in TVS motor? One is price approaching the strongest support zone. Second, that strongest support zone is in conjunction with Fibonacci 0.382 level. And third, there is RSI hidden bullish divergence, which already started in the stock. So these are the four stocks which should be in your radar, which should be in your watch list for the coming days. So that's it for today's market commentary. Please subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon. I'm leaving my number in the description of this video. For any kind of doubts in capital markets, you can always ping me on WhatsApp. And if you want to enroll in any NSE certified capital market courses, even then you can approach me. Thank you all for joining.